Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking, guys. So today I'm gonna make some snapper. So I'm gonna clean my snapper, even though they clean it already at the store. So I'm gonna clean it off and thing, guys. So it already clean at the store, but I still gonna clean it like 1 and 2 places. This thing, guy, I get at Shein. They said it help to clean the fish. So guys, this is what I'm gonna make. Some snapper, guys. This snapper is huge, guys, so I have to cut them in two. So today I'm gonna make some steamed snapper with okra. So guys, come along with me, guys. You can use your knife, or maybe this, as I say, I get this at machine Timo. I haven't really used it, but there's not much on the fish anyway to clean. I think they did a good job cleaning the fish already. So guys, this you know, when you buy your fish, you still go over them, even though they clean it already, but you can still go over it because there's stuff in it you have to take out. So right here you could see that it still have some blood, so you could take out these. Just use a knife and clean it out, guys. Alright, guys. The same thing with here. It's already almost clean, but it's still a, you know, some people don't take out these stuff, but I like to take out this. You take your knife, the end of your knife, and you take out these bloody part. So this is how you clean your fish, guys. So there you go, guys. There's nothing left. Take out all the blood. This one, you just use the tip of the knife, guys, to take out whatever in there. Clean your fish. You slice your fish. Do the same thing. Use the tip of the knife to take out this, the blood. The cradle blood, guys, and anything else in the fish that you want to take out. You do the tip of your knife, and then you scrape it. Go like this. Take off all the extra bone, the extra scale that is on it, and then you slice, make a slice on the fish, guys. So I'll check you back, guys, when I'm finished. All right. Yes, guys, so now I'm finished cleaning the fish. I'm gonna wash the fish, guys. So first, I'm gonna rinse them off, and then I'm gonna wash them with some vinegar. But the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rinse them off first, and then I'm gonna rinse them again. So now I'm gonna rinse them again, guys. Add water and rinse them off with some vinegar, and then I'm gonna soak them in some salt water. So that's white vinegar, guys. Don't put too much vinegar, guys. You don't wanna cook the fish. I heard that fish. Yeah, the vinegar can, don't let it soak in there. Just rinse them off. Just rinse off the fish in the vinegar. Because you don't want the fish to get soft. They said vinegar cook fish. So I just rinse off the vinegar, this fish in the vinegar, to get rid of the that raw stale smell. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put some more cold water, and I'm gonna add some salt. So I'm gonna finish washing these with some salt, guys. So I'm gonna soak this in some salt water. So guys, I have two kinds of salt. I have white salt that I use to clean my fish and my chicken. So this is salt I use for my chicken and my fish. And I have pink salt that I cook with. So now I'm gonna soak the fish in some salt water. Yes, guys. Leave this to soak for a minute, guys. Yeah. Alright guys, so when I'm ready to throw off this water, I'll check you back guys while the fish is soaking a little bit. Okay guys, so now I'm throwing off the water. Alright guys, I'll check you back guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna season up the fish. I'm gonna use some black pepper. I just sprinkle the black pepper guys. Put it on the inside. So I just put the black pepper where I cut the fish. Black pepper. Not a lot of black pepper guys, just a little bit. The inside of the fish guys, I put the seasoning on the inside. Just a little bit guys. And so guys, I'm gonna add some mixed powder season that I make. My brother-in-law make, not me. So in this powder seasoning you have like Maggi, all-purpose, and a few other seasoning guys. So whatever powder seasoning you want to use in your fish, you can guys. So this is a bunch of different all-purpose season mixed together. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'll put the seasoning on the inside of the fish guys. And then I'm gonna leave this to soak for a while, so the seasoning soak inside the fish. Put the seasoning on the inside. So guys, if you're still watching, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please comment, subscribe, and share to all my newcomers. There you go guys, the inside of the fish, well seasoned. And then because I'm gonna season, I could just sprinkle a little bit outside. Yes guys. So the size of the fish guys, you see how big this fish is? It's a huge fish. So I'm just gonna cover this and let it marinate for a while before I cook it guys. Alright guys, so I'll see you back later guys when it's time to cook the fish. Yes guys, so I'm gonna make some salad also. So I'm cleaning my lettuce. I'm taking off the outer part. So guys, when you buy lettuce, don't use this part. Take off the outer part. And then you pick off, I usually pick off the end, some part of these. And you cut off this part. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna wash this with some cold water. Washing it with cold water guys. You take them off piece by piece and you wash them guys. That's how you clean your lettuce. Wash them leaf by leaf. Room temperature water guys, not freezing cold water. Right guys, so I'll check you back guys when I'm finished washing. So I'm gonna put some cucumber. So I'm gonna peel these guys. I'm not gonna use the skin, I'm gonna peel them. Alright guys. So I'm peeling the cucumber. These are very small cucumber. So usually I use the skin, but this time no. I put some sweet pepper and tomato. Yes guys, so I use my finger to break up my lettuce. Sometimes when you use a knife to cut your lettuce, it turns red. So I just use my finger and pick it up guys. There you go, guys. So now I'm gonna cut up the sweet pepper. I'm using the yellow pepper today. Now I'm cutting up my cucumber. Yes, guys, so there you go, tomato. So there you go, guys, the salad. So that's my salad. So now, guys, I'm gonna cut up some zucchini and some broccoli. Okay, guys, so this is my broccoli. So I'm just gonna cut off right there. Sometimes I pick off the outer part because sometimes it's tough. So you kind of trim it a little bit. I cut off everything on it that is no good. So guys, this is how I clean my broccoli. Guys. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, guys, so this is my broccoli. So I'm washing the broccoli with some salt water, guys. So that when it's time to steam, at least the broccoli has the taste of the salt. So that's the broccoli soaking, and then I'm going to pour off the water. Okay, guys, so this is the first season I'm going to use for the fish that I'm going to put in the steamed fish. I'm going to put some sweet pepper. Why am I keep saying sweet potato? Sweet pepper and tomato, some scallion and some onion, guys, and some thyme. Yes, guys, so I clean everything. I clean the outer part of the green vegetable or the fresh seasoning, and now I'm going to wash them. I wash them, guys. Wash everything. So everything is washed. So guys, I'm gonna cut these up, and when I'm finished cutting, I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the fresh vegetable, which is scallion, onion, sweet pepper, tomato, and ginger and thyme. So that's the fresh season, and this is the okra that we're gonna steam with the fish. Over there is some carrots, and right here is some milk, some coconut milk that we're gonna use to steam the fish with a cock soup, grace cock soup. So guys, these are all the ingredients that we're gonna use to make the fish. So guys, you will see later how the fish how we do the fish, guys. All right, guys, so take care until see you back in a minute. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna coconut oil to fry up the vegetable, guys. So I am melting up the coconut oil. So once I hot up the oil, guys, I'm gonna put my fresh seasoning, which is tomato, garlic, onion, scallion, and thyme, and sweet pepper, guys. So I'm gonna add this as soon as the pot hot. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna add all my fresh seasoning. Guys, I'm doing some beef. So I'm taking out back some of this to put the beef in my oven. So guys, that's how So that's my green seasoning. And I'm gonna add some okra. And I have some carrots, guys. So I'm gonna add the carrots. Leaving some of that for my beef that I have in the oven. So guys, I'm gonna keep stirring. So I'm gonna let this cook down, guys. So I'm gonna put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to cook this down, guys. The fish already have seasoning, guys, so I don't want to put too much. So I'm gonna let this fry down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some coconut milk, guys. So I'll check you back, guys, as soon as this cook down a little bit. Okay, guys, I forget my frozen. This is squash. Some people use pumpkin, guys, but I don't have any pumpkin, so I'm just gonna use the squash. So I cut up my squash, guys, and I keep them in the freezer so they don't spoil. So that's it, guys. So watch the process, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do my broccoli. I put a little bit of water. Turn on the stove. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Put in a little bit of salt, guys. Even though the broccoli already have salt, so I'm just gonna put a dash of salt because I don't want the broccoli to get salt. Cover the pot until the water is boiled, then I'm gonna add the broccoli, guys. Okay, guys, let's check on this. So there you go, guys. So now I'm gonna add the coconut milk, guys. So this is the coconut milk. This is from scratch. I blend this up. So guys, I keep my coconut, I cut up my coconut and I keep them in the freezer. So when I'm ready for it, I just blend it with some warm water. So there you go, guys. So I'm gonna put a little bit more Maggi. Some people use chicken noodle. But tell you the truth, I'm not in the mood to go sieve out the chicken noodle. It's to me the same seasoning, you know, they put in everything. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna let this cook down a minute, and then I'm gonna add the fish. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add the fish. So guys, I don't want everything to overcook before I add the fish. So now I'm gonna add the fish. Yes, guys, this fish huge, guys. Wow, guys. Yes, guys, so these are some huge fish. Yes, guys, so I'm just gonna let this cook down. I'm gonna bring some of the vegetable on top so that I can have more space for the fish. Alright, guys, so I'm bringing up some of the vegetable from the bottom, guys, so that this can steam down good. Guys, you could put some hot pepper in this if you want, but I can't really use hot pepper because it's not everyone in my house can use hot pepper. right there, guys. So I'm gonna let this cook down. So watch the process, guys. Yes, guys, so there goes the fish steaming, guys. I have to change pot, guys, because the pot was too small. So there you go, guys, steaming fish. So guys, as I said, I have to change the pot because my frying pan was too small, guys. So I put it in my soup pot instead. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Thank you for your support, guys. So there you go, guys. I'm making steamed fish red snapper, guys. Yes, guys, so there go the steamed fish. Cooking, guys. Alright, guys, I'll check you back, guys, when I'm finished. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. Put your notification bell on, so whenever time I upload a video, you will receive it, guys. So there go, guys, Jamaican style steamed fish, guys, red snapper. There you go, guys, snapper still steaming, guys. So guys, as I said, I have to switch to a bigger pot because my frying pan wasn't big enough, or my skillet wasn't big enough. So there goes, guys. So what we're gonna have some this with the vegetable inside. Gonna have it with some salad and baked potato, guys. So the potato is in the oven baking, and we're gonna have some broccoli. So mostly vegetable today, guys. Broccoli and salad with each person gonna have a potato. So guys, that's it, guys. So there you go, guys. Up and personal, guys. Jamaican style steamed fish. I don't make it like every Jamaican, but I do it my own way. So there you go, guys. Steamed fish, Jamaican style, guys. Okay, guys, there you go. Fish still steaming. Yes, guys, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Jamaican style steamed fish red snapper with pumpkin, okra and all the good stuff, guys. Just watch the whole video and then you will see exactly what is in the steamed fish, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please comment, subscribe and share, and take care of yourself until next time. Okay, guys, so that's my potato that we're gonna have with the steamed fish. Some people have steamed fish with tough crackers. I don't have any crackers, guys, so we're just gonna use some potato and salad and broccoli, guys. Thank you so much, guys.